Hi, do you have those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead and also between the eyes here? Those are lemons, if you like, frown lines. Well, it may just be tightness within the scalp, within the fascia. So in today's video, we're really going to release that, to really soften off those lines on the forehead and also those frown lines by doing some great fascia releasing work. We're also going to be finishing off with all important lymphatic drainage, so we can also release toxins and waste within this area. Hi, I'm Ali and I'm really here to help you on your skincare journey with Kinship Skin. So first things first, you want to start off with clean skin, obviously, and clean fingers. Now I am going to use my Kinship facial oil. You want to use something so you've got a bit of a slip and glide, so you're not compromising the skin by dragging and pulling. So I have some here, but you can use any other facial oil or a face cream, whatever you have to hand. But whatever you do apply to your skin, obviously is going to penetrate into the skin really nice and deep. So whatever you do apply, you want to make sure that it's preferably organic and the best quality ingredients, which mine does have, because it's 11 organic ingredients here, including argan oil and rosehip oil, which is really great for the skin. So we're just applying just on the forehead, side of the temples, side of the ears, back of the ears, and then just down by the side of the neck here. So first of all, taking our fingers, let's just do a bit of gentle facial tapping from the eyebrow in an upwards motion towards the hairline here. Now what we're doing here, we're really helping with blood flow and circulation, literally waking up the skin. And once we've done that, I'm just going to very gently massage in an upwards motion, just making sure all that lovely facial oil is nicely diffused on the forehead area. So let's start off with some really great fascia work here. So we're taking one hand and we're placing it onto our nose as an anchor, and we're going to start with this between the eyes, the 11s if you like, and then we're going to work our way out. So we're then working from the eyebrow towards the scalp area. So taking our fingers onto our nose, taking our fingers, you can either take your fingers or you could take a knuckle for a little bit of firm pressure, and then just very, very slowly and gently glide in an upwards motion. And this is a light to firm touch. And you want to go slowly. You don't want to be dragging at the skin at all. And then just keep slowly working up. Now we don't have much fat padding on the forehead area, so you really want to be sort of quite careful that you're not dragging the skin. And that's why we use our fingers to literally move along, so we're not dragging. And then when you get to the hairline, you just want to give it a little wiggle to really help again with any toxins and waste, any lymph. So again, we're now working from the forehead and working our way along. Try to keep the shoulders relaxed, it's very easy to hoik them up. And then again, further along, nice and slow. Now the fascia, obviously, it's almost like a connective tissue within the whole of the body system. But with the area we're working on today, if it gets quite, it's almost like a spider's web, and if it gets quite tight, you actually kind of want to release that, and that's what we're doing here. So again, you can either take your knuckles or you can take your fingers, and then just we'll use fingers on this side, so I'll share with you, whichever you find the easiest, and just slowly working up, light to firm touch, and then working all the way along. Again, holding as an anchor, so we're not dragging at the skin. From the top of the eyebrow, and then just glide that out a little, relaxing the rest of the face as well while you're doing these facial exercises. Now we've done some real great fascia anchoring to really lift everything up here. So now we need to work on for the scalp area. Now if we have a tight scalp and you almost like tight fascia again within the scalp, you'll be able to know, because when you place your fingers, it's where my hair starts getting messy, if you move your scalp up and down, if it's not moving very well, you're really quite tight and you want it to be fairly loose. So placing our hands onto, and take the little fingers by the front here, and then placing the rest of the hands onto the scalp, let's just move it backwards and forwards, really releasing any pressure, releasing any tight fascia. And then you want to move it to the side, and then you can sort of go different directions as well. Now you can do these once or twice a day, you can do them 3 or 4 times a week. It also really depends on how much time you have, but you will find this will really help with those fine lines and wrinkles on the forehead by doing fascia release. And now let's do some lymphatic drainage. We've done some really great fascia work on the forehead area and also the scalp. So taking our fingers with very lightly, feather-like motion, working between those brows and lifting up towards the hairline and slowly working our way all along the eyebrow to the hairline. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin here, where we're moving all that toxins and waste. And then interconnecting our fingers and just very gently gliding now all the way towards the temples, side of the ears here at the front where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes here. And then with one hand at a time, just gliding down this big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And on the other side. And then from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we've just got some indentations here. And if you can just give these a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste we've moved within the forehead area into the body, ready for elimination. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like more videos like this, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell, and also check out my email list for regular emails on natural skincare, particularly if you're 40, 50 and over, and also share. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video, and please comment down below, tell me how you found this really great fascia technique, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Okay, bye.